everybody. Happy Thursday. Check it out. I switched over to Christmas in my background. I got my cute little mouse sitter up here. I've got my angel, my light up angel. I am so into Christmas right now. And if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including how to get the e-coupons and how to order. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check it out, the light up greenhouse. It's funny because every single year I always try to add a couple of new like home decor pieces to my Christmas collection, and I'm so happy that Avon has got some really neat pieces so I don't have to go out. I can just order them and have them shipped to my house. So check this out. This is so unique, you guys. This is called the Light Up Greenhouse. It is $39 online, and I've never seen anything like this before. Look, there's a Christmas tree inside that rotates. Check that out. How cool is that? And then there's a couple little people in there, and there's just like a really neat scene. There's Christmas trees in there. And it actually has two modes, so you can either have it just on the light mode, or you can flip it over to, there's off. It does play Jingle Bells, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, Silent Night, Deck the Halls, Joy to the World, The First Noel, and Oh Christmas Tree. So it does play music, which I think is super cute. It just kind of goes on a rotation, but it's absolutely adorable that it lights up and it plays music. I thought that was like a really neat feature. It is 8 inches by 5 by 6. It takes 3 AA batteries. And it's just adorable. I love it. I'm so happy I got this. I wasn't sure I was going to get this one because I thought, I don't know, a greenhouse, like, I don't know, does that fit in with my holiday decor? But I absolutely love it. I don't know, there's just something really unique. It's a nice collectible for Christmas. I just thought this thing was absolutely adorable. I like love it more than I thought I would. If that makes sense. But I got it and I'm like, I am so glad I got this. And I'm thinking about getting one for my mother-in-law as a gift, because I'm like, this would make a really neat gift, and it's like under 40 bucks. Make a great gift exchange gift because it's something that's different. You know what I mean? I'm like, I have not seen like a Christmas greenhouse out there. So that's what I like about it. And like I said, I love the way the way the little tree rotates. I think that is so cool. I don't know why. All of us the other day were looking at it. We're like, that is so cute. So anyway, that is the light up greenhouse. It also looks pretty at night. The lights shine through it. Like I said, I am an online Avon rep. If you have any questions, please post them below. I am literally rolling out all of the Christmas products. The greenhouse is currently in campaign 23, and this is what it looks like in, where did it just go? I just had it in the catalog. Check it out right there. And then this will be available in 24, I think 25. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, ooh la la Paris. All of the Paris stuff is coming this next Tuesday online. I cannot wait. I am so excited. So I'm going to start doing some of this Paris collection, but I'm on Christmas overload in a good way. I'm so excited about Christmas. I will see you guys later. Definitely check out the links below. Bye-bye.